Today I will teach you how to use ledger filter in the automated accounting system, Botkeeping. The first thing you need to do is log into your account. Type your company name, for example, I will type Water, the name of the software developer, ripacmarketingsolution.com. Then enter. Once you've reached the site, click the login button. Fill in the form with your email and password. Once you've finished filling in, click Sign In. Once we've entered, go to the Ledger module at the left side. Click the Ledger module. It will bring you to a section where you'll fill and set some needed information. If you have noticed, there is a similarity between Ledger Filter and Journal Filter, because both modules enables the user to filter certain records. The only difference is that Journal Filter gives two individual options, namely vendor and customer. On the other hand, Ledger Filter is more direct and does not provide users with minor options. Instead, it shows the complete record of data. Let's start by inputting the date range that you want to filter. Then, select the chart of account. I will select purchases as example. After the selection, click the Submit button. We can observe that it successfully filtered all the purchases we did within the date range we've set. And these purchases doesn't belong to a single vendor or proprietor only, but divided in different companies and businesses that we recently had transaction. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos about the automated accounting system, Botkeeping, click the subscribe button below, or you can visit us on our website and Facebook page in the link that is shown. Have a good day ahead.